are creating a code breaker app. So I'll show you how that app looks like. So here is the app. Yes. Okay, I'll just open it. Where is it? Okay. Um, yes. Here it is, the app which I have created. So is the code, and you have to just, the code is 1002, but I will type 1200. So I will check, it will be wrong, try again. Then I will write it 1002, the correct code, so it will show phone unlocked. Okay, so we will create this app in Codog. So let's start. So here I'll open my app lab. Okay, here is it, and then I will go to design. I will just increase height of the screen so it will look means bigger. Then we will put a button here, and you have to change its ID. Okay, into tag button. Okay, and here you have to write tag done, and then you have to add a text input here, and you have to change this also code enter, and then here right enter password. Okay, sorry, enter code, sorry, code done. Okay, now you have to add a label here, and here you will write code breaker, and you have to just go down and just increase its size. I'll just increase its width. Yes, it's done now. Now I will change it. You can change also border color, but I will not keep any border color. I will just skip on screen, and a screen color would be black. You can take any color, but I'll take black. And the text color I will put, I'll delete this all, and BLUE. Then you can see here our check button. We will color it as you can choose your favorite color here. I'll choose yellow because at the last step I just chose red. So this will be different. So I just, its green is also okay. So green is okay, and here is the okay. Now we will the new screen. So this is the new screen, and then I will just choose a wallpaper for this upload file. I have saved this as I don't know where it is. I'll just means search it from Google. You can also just now I will show you how to just download it. So here you have to search wrong GIF animated. Okay, then you have to go to images, and you have to click on this first one. This is not. Then you have to go down, go down, go down. No. You have to scroll down. You can take any one of them, but which I am finding is not here. You can take anything. I will just download this now. Okay, so this is downloading, and the file name is B60A4. Means it's starting. This upload file, custom all files. Okay, open. it's uploading. Just error uploading file. So I'll try this. Yes, this one is wrong. So you can see the image is here. Then you have to put a button, and here you will write try again. Try again. So you see, and then I will color this little bit dark as black. So or white is also okay. Done. And I'll just then I will new screen. Okay. And now I will choose the different one. What I'll choose? Yes. Um, phone app screen. Phone app screen. Okay. You have to go to images. You can take your favorite one. Okay, I'll take one of them. This one. This I control plus C. So I'll just copy image. And then I'll choose control plus V. Choose link of image. So I'll just copy the link from here. Copy image. Copy link address. And then you have to go here, control plus V. And submit. Why it's not here? I'll just see once. So I will just download it now. Save image as. Its name is Randsham. So we downloaded it yesterday also. The Randsham. Yes, it's here. So I'll just open this. It's uploading. Choose. Okay. So yes, that's some image we also downloaded. And here have to write phone on unlocked. Okay, and now I will just change its color to white. Okay, and now I have to increase the font size. I will keep it here, and I'll just increase its size, and I'll just do it 32, and our full code is done. Now we will means our design is done, so we will code now. I have to bring a on event. You have to just check button, and check button click. You have to go to controls, and you have to use if else block. Then you have to go to math. Then you have to take a equals to sign, and you have to go to UI controls. Get text is equals to 1002. I'll keep the password the same as, and get text from the code enter, and is equals to, so you have to just set screen. Which screen? The screen 3. This is the screen 3. And else means if the password is not like this, so else you can just display the screen 2. Then we will do on event, and here set screen. One of those choose try again button. When clicked, so set screen 1. We'll try to run the app. So we'll enter the wrong code as 17809. and like this. Try again. So try again. Yes, it's working. Now we will enter um, 1002. Phone unlock. Yes. So our code is done. And thank you and bye.